Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I will get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Digital Wax Break, or just an oddball Wednesday. We got the Select 2021 NBA Hangar box. So these cards are pretty nice looking, pretty good looking. Right off the bat, you can pretty much send them to get graded. But very nice job they did on these cards, and looking forward to breaking those open. Before I get to that though, leave me a comment. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for our monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled with number cards, relics, parallels, and some autographs. And 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker's stuffed full of number cards, parallels, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printing plates, sketch cards, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we throw in some autographs. And today, I am throwing in a BJ Tyler and a Chip Ambers auto. These 2 autos are going into the flawless briefcase. Yowzas. All right, let's get to the main event here. It's like a candy cane. Alrighty then. There's our Paco cards. Cool. All right. All right, got a Kyrie Irving and an Isaiah Joe rookie card. Stephen Curry. Luka Doncic. Tyrese Halliburton. All right. Fred Van Fleet. Got a Peyton Pritchard rookie card. Draymond Green. Got a Trae Young. Got a Jay Morant. Rudy Gobert. Jalen Smith rookie card. Kevin Love there. James Wiseman rookie card. Parallel, nice. Paul George. We got a Jaren Jackson Jr. Udoka Okubini rookie card. Ben Simmons Select Company. Parallel? Yeah, it's the parallel. Wow, cool. And we got an Ogawa rookie card prism and Kira Lewis Jr. rookie card prism. Very cool. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and more Select 2021 coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.